Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest leaks surrounding Apple's upcoming budget laptop, the MacBook SE. Could Apple finally be making an entry-level MacBook priced under $700? With recent rumors, speculations, and price leaks, it seems that we might be closer to an affordable Apple laptop than ever before. Let's explore Apple's current MacBook lineup, analyze the leaks, and predict what to expect from this potential budget MacBook. Current MacBook lineup and pricing. Before discussing the MacBook SE, let's take a look at Apple's existing MacBook lineup. Right now we have MacBook Pro 16-inch and 14-inch, powered by the M4 Max, M4 Pro, and M4 chips. MacBook Air 13-inch and 15-inch, currently featuring the M3 chip, with a recent RAM upgrade to 16GB as the new base configuration. MacBook Air M2 13-inch, still available as the cheapest MacBook, priced at $999 or $899 for education users. With Apple's transition to M4 architecture, the M2 MacBook Air is now a 2-generation-old device. As a result, retailers are offering significant discounts, bringing the price of an 8GB RAM M2 MacBook Air to around $800 or even less. With this price shift, it's the perfect time for Apple to introduce an ultra-budget MacBook SE to target students, casual users, and budget-conscious buyers. MacBook SE. What could it offer? Possible specifications. Several leaks indicate that Apple might reuse older components and designs to cut costs while still offering a functional device. Some of the expected specs include processor, either the M2 or a binned-down version of the M3 chip. RAM, likely 8GB, though 16GB would be a welcome surprise. Storage, a base 128GB SSD, enough for casual users. Display, between 12 to 13.3 inches, possibly retaining a Retina display. Design, Apple may reuse an older chassis, similar to the 12-inch MacBook 2015 is ultra-thin with a fanless design. The Wedge MacBook Air 2018, a favorite among many Mac users, featuring an iconic design. Why Apple might reuse older designs. The 12-inch MacBook was Apple's ultra-portable model in 2015, but it failed due to the Intel M series chip and the infamous butterfly keyboard. However, with Apple Silicon, this design could make a strong comeback. Ultra-thin, fanless, and energy-efficient. Alternatively, Apple could bring back the 2018 MacBook Air design, which many consider one of Apple's best-looking laptops. Potential price and release date. How much will the MacBook SE cost? One of the most debated topics is the price point. Apple already sells the Mac Mini M4, 16GB RAM for $599, making it reasonable to assume that a laptop with an M2 chip and 8GB RAM could be priced at $699. However, if Apple wants to dominate the budget laptop market, a price closer to $599 could make this MacBook an absolute game-changer. Still, considering the additional costs of a display, battery, and keyboard, a $699 starting price is more likely. When will the MacBook SE be released? We've seen multiple leaks suggesting that Apple has been considering a budget MacBook for over a year. While there hasn't been any official confirmation, industry analysts speculate that Apple could launch this device in 2025. The best timing? A spring event or WWDC 2025 announcement. Final thoughts. Will Apple make a MacBook SE? Given the success of Apple's iPhone SE and iPad SE lineups, a MacBook SE could follow the same formula. Old design, decent specs, and an affordable price. With Apple discontinuing Intel-based Macs, repurposing old MacBook designs with Apple Silicon makes perfect sense. But the big question remains. Will Apple release a MacBook SE? If they do, it could become one of the best-selling laptops for students, casual users, and budget-conscious professionals. Are you excited for the MacBook SE? If Apple launches the MacBook SE, would you buy one? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest Apple leaks, tech news, and in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.